What's up, guys? Dave here again, Phone Flipping 101. Over here at the post office again. I'm sending out a bunch of the reusable RSIM chips, the carrier unlock iPhones and iPads. They're only $40 a piece, as you guys know. I've literally made a couple $1,000s this week just doing RSIM unlocks. I just did 3. That's $240. I was supposed to meet a fourth person here at the post office, and they're not going to make it until later tonight, so I'll have to meet them later. But literally in 15-20 minutes, just made $240 off a $40 reusable carrier unlock-in SIM chip. Guys, you want any more information on this, just click on the link below. Get yours today. These are in high demand. They're going fast, as you can see. This is the second time I've been to the post office today. These are just from today's orders, actually just from like 11 a.m. on. Anything that was ordered before that or yesterday, I've already shipped out. It's easy money, guys. It literally takes about 2 to 3 minutes with the customer. They give you $75, $80. I charge $80 per unlock. A lot of people are charging $100. You see how easy it is. Follow the link below. Full instructions on how to use these. Full video on how to use them. It's very simple. Once you program the ICC ID, you just put it in the phone you want to lock, pretty much. Open up. If it has an iCloud password on it, they put their iCloud password in it, and that's pretty much about it. And you put in any GSM carrier SIM card, and the phone will work. And also anything like iPhone X and above, you can also use on Verizon. So with that being said, guys, there's huge money. There's no more paying $5, $10 per chip. You pay $40 once. You can reuse it as many times as you want. I mean, eventually they do wear out from putting them in the phone, and people lose them a lot. So a lot of people are buying 2 at a time, $80. But with that being said, they come with printed directions and full video, new ICC ID numbers. You can see the current ones every day. It's updated. The working ones, they usually stay the same for a few days. When they do change or whatever, like a week or so, they'll always be updated every single day. So you have free lifetime access to that. Get them today, guys. And as always, keep hustling, my friends. Check out the link below. Join my free Phone Flipping 101 Facebook group if you haven't already. And as always, keep hustling, my friends.